Ready to supercharge your TikTok ads by accurately tracking those sweet purchase conversions. First, let's head into Google Tag Manager. Make sure you have an active Google Tag Manager account and access to the website's container you want to work on. Then, locate the Tags section and click New to begin configuring a new tag. Now, we'll configure our tag. Click on Tag Configuration. In the options presented, select a custom HTML tag type. Next, we are going to paste our TikTok pixel base code into the custom HTML field. You can retrieve this code from your TikTok Ads Manager. In your TikTok Ads Manager, navigate to the Events section. Select Manage Pixel and create a pixel or locate an existing one. Then, copy or generate the base code for your pixel. It's time to specify when this tag should fire. Click Triggering and select your trigger. If you already have a trigger which tracks when a purchase is completed, like the successful completion of a purchase on a thank you page, use that. Otherwise, proceed to create one. Select Page View. We will now create a trigger by selecting some page views. Next, you want to configure these steps. In the drop-down, select Page URL, Contains, and paste your thank you page URL. This configuration ensures that the tag fires only when a user lands on the purchase confirmation page. Save the trigger. Head back and save the custom HTML tag. Now give it a name. Then you should paste your TikTok pixel code again within the custom HTML field. This is very important so it is running without any issues. This is your TikTok pixel, ready to track all conversions. After saving, ensure all your tags are configured correctly by clicking Preview and navigate through the site. If you do see all your events tracked, then submit and publish your updated GTM container. Boom! You are now successfully tracking purchase events with the TikTok pixel using Google Tag Manager.